Today we're going to unbox and review the 5.3 liter air fryer from Kmart. Is it worth it? Before I get started, I ask that you take time to read our disclaimer. And while you're reading, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, as it'll really help this channel tremendously. And with that being said, let's get started on the video. This is the 5.3 liter air fryer. As of today, it currently retails for $79, but before it was retailing at $89 at Kmart. This fryer is a great value for your money, and I'll talk more about that later. The measurements for this fryer are 33.6 centimeters in width, 33.1 centimeters in depth, and 32 centimeters in height. This product is currently available in the color black and also weighs around 5.23 kilograms. In the box it includes the air fryer and instruction manual. This air fryer has a temperature knob, time knob, orange working indication light, green heating indication light, a handle, air inlet, hot air outlet, and power plug and cord. First of all, make sure the temperature knob and the time knob is set to 0. Plug the cord in, slide the basket out by pressing the release button, and place your food in the basket. You then have to rotate the temperature and time knob. Here are some examples of timing and what to cook. Obviously, this is just a simple guide, so please cook in your own precautions. An example includes chips, chops, drumstick, and steak. When the timer stops, pull the basket out and check your food if it's cooked to your liking. I think this product is 100% worth it. This product is such a great value for the price. Everything cooks so fast. I found that the meat stays crispy on the outside whilst juicy on the inside. It's also such big in space. With 5.3 liters, you can fit majority of the food in here. Overall, it's easy to use and easy to clean, and such a very cheap price. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you bought this air fryer, and what are your thoughts on it. Till next time.